everyone grows on social media.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of business owners who are in that like lower left-hand corner, and they're going to have to fight for like 4 or 5 years on that like very small curve until eventually they get to the point where they have like 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000 followers on Instagram, and like there's momentum built.
Yeah.
But every influencer who got to 50,000 started at 0.
Right.
Worked their way up to 1,000 and earned it.
Right.
And so that's what we have to work with people on, is like, here you have 100 followers.
Right.
And no one really knows you. You're new to town. It's a new business. How are we going to get you to 1,000 people who know you this year? Because that's like hard to do even.
Yeah.
You know, and those benchmarks is sort of like where we come in on the advisory.
Yeah.